In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Ads to Wix website. If you're ready to start promoting your site, Wix gives you a built-in way to connect to Google Ads directly from your dashboard. We'll walk through where to click, what the on-screen prompts mean, and a few requirements to keep in mind so everything works smoothly. Start on your site's dashboard in Wix. From the menu on the left, click Marketing. This opens a set of growth tools. Find and select Google Ads. Depending on your account, the button may read Get Started, Connect, or something similar. Click it to launch the setup wizard. From here, simply follow the steps and requirements presented on screen to enable Google Ads on your site. You'll be asked to sign in with your Google account and grant permission so Wix can connect to your Google Ads. If you don't already have a Google Ads account, the wizard will guide you to create one. You may also be prompted to confirm your business details and billing inside Google Ads, which is required before ads can run. Keep your information accurate and consistent with your website, as this helps with Google's review process. As part of these requirements, you may need to publish your site, upgrade your plan, and connect a custom domain. Publishing ensures Google can actually visit your pages during review. Upgrading to a premium plan unlocks connections and removes Wix ads, which is important for a professional ad destination. Connecting a custom domain rather than using a free subdomain is often necessary, so your ad's display URL matches your brand and meets policy expectations. You can connect a domain from your Wix dashboard. Once the domain is live, return to the Google Ads setup and continue. During setup, Wix may automatically place the necessary Google tags for you, which means you won't have to paste code manually. If you see options to enable conversion tracking, follow the prompts so you can measure results later. When all requirements are met and the wizard confirms the connection, you're done. Give Google a little time to review your site and any campaigns you create. If something isn't approved, check Google's policy messages, publish any pending changes, and make sure your domain connection is fully active. That's all. You clicked Marketing, selected Google Ads, followed the prompts, and ensured your site was published, upgraded, and connected to a custom domain. You're now set to promote your Wix website with Google Ads.